come into my abode. Welcome to my channel. Now, first of all guys, small disclaimer, I just want to say thank you to all the newcomers, the new subscribers that have actually joined me in my venture and also the journey that I'm having here with you guys. So I really do appreciate that from the heart. So please, for the people that haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It will be very much appreciative, as mentioned before. So today, I'm going to talk about the accessories that I bought for my brand new phone, the iPhone 11 Pro. So that's the iPhone 11 Pro. So these are the things that I do when I buy a new device, a new mobile phone, because I actually do this on a regular basis, it seems. And every time I do this, I make sure that my phone that I receive is first of all in spectacular condition. Second of all, I check that it's working functionally perfectly. And then before I receive the phone, I buy a couple of accessories that I believe keep the phone nice, crisp, clean and protected. So let me get into this. First of all, and the first thing that I have on my phone is a screen protector. A screen protector. You probably can't pick it up on the screen. I'll try and bring it a bit closer. But I do have a screen protector on this phone. And the reason why I have a screen protector on this phone in particular, because I've heard a couple of other people's review iPhone 11 Pro, and they've mentioned that the screen is easily scratched. And that's something I wanted to try and protect off the bat. So first of all, I bought a screen protector, slapped it onto the screen, and it works perfectly. Fingerprint reader, there's none on this phone, as you know, but the Face ID works seamlessly how it should do. The second thing I bought was a protective screen for the camera. Again, I don't know if you can pick that up, guys. Yep, so I bought a screen protector for the camera, and that is to actually protect the lens, to keep it away from dust, to protect it from being scratched, just to protect it from being damaged. And that's something else that I purchased for the phone. The final thing that I purchased for this phone, which I think is also needed, is a case. I bought this clear case with a orange trim buttons on the right and the orange trim button on the left. And this is a pretty sturdy, solid case. And again, I wanted something quite sturdy. It gives it a bit, don't get me wrong, this case gives it a bit of thickness, and I believe that you do need that on a mobile phone, just in case you do drop it, as I'm very careful with my phone, so I don't intend to drop in it, but who knows, you may do. So a case, a good case is always recommended. And this case here is very, very good. So a sturdy case, as I said before, is very, very useful for this mobile phone device. And if I put this on the device, clicks in nice and easy. I can tell you straight away that the buttons are very responsive. That's the on and off button. And very, very satisfying indeed. And it covers the back very nicely, hugs the phone very nicely, gives it a bit of thickness, but not that much thickness that is going to cause you any harm. So those are the three things that I buy to keep my phone in spectacular condition. And if you want to protect your phone, I would suggest you do the same, because what I normally do is when I receive a phone that I've used, I normally review it, and then sometimes I'll pass it on. So I will sell it, and I'll sell these phones online, being eBay, and I make sure that the phone as received is actually sold in the condition as it's been purchased by myself. So that means that when you sell your phone, you'll get a good price for selling it, rather than having a phone that has a scratch, a dent, some form of defect, and then the price will go down when you're selling your item, which is common sense. So if you keep your phone in good condition and you want to resell it later on in life, then these are the things I would suggest you guys do. So guys, I'm going to leave it there, nice and short, nice and sweet. Look after yourself and each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget, please subscribe. Thank you. Adios.